Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to a new video from our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that will surely grab your attention. I'm sure that you are looking for a side hustle to earn an additional income, or perhaps to replace your current 9-to-5 job. In today's video, we will show you how to make an incredible $1,500 daily by posting articles on Apple News. Yes, you heard that right. So let's dive right in. 1. Introduction to Apple News. To start, let's talk about Apple News, just to know what we will be dealing with. Apple News is a popular news platform that provides personalized news experiences to millions of users on their Apple devices. As of 2023, it is estimated that Apple News has reached over 200 million subscribers, making it a powerful platform for content creators. In terms of revenue, Apple News has experienced remarkable growth. In 2023, it is estimated to generate billions of dollars in revenue and is estimated to surpass $50 billion by 2025 thanks to its subscription service called Apple News Plus. Apple News Plus offers premium content from various publishers and an excellent opportunity for content creators to monetize their work. Number 2. Publishing and monetizing on Apple News. Now let's explore the opportunity to publish articles on Apple News and start generating money. Apple News offers a revenue-sharing model where publisher writers have the opportunity to receive a portion of the income made from their articles. When you publish an article on Apple News, it is possible for you to receive a revenue share of up to 70% generated through Apple News Plus. This means that as your articles gain traction and attract Apple News Plus subscribers, you can make a significant income based on their engagement with your content. In addition to the revenue sharing from Apple News Plus, you can introduce ads to your articles. This opens up another revenue stream as you can keep 100% of the ad revenue generated from these ads. 3. Getting started with article writing. Now let's address the question that many may have. How can you start writing articles for Apple News even if you have yet to gain experience? The good news is that anyone can get started with writing, regardless of their background. The first step is to find a trendy niche that aligns with your interests and has a potential audience. Let's take the example of the wellness and self-care niche. This niche has grown significantly in recent years as more people focus on their mental and physical well-being. You can leverage AI tools to create unique and engaging articles in the wellness and self-care niche. One such tool is called Articulate. With Articulate, you can input keywords related to wellness and self-care and generate AI-generated articles that provide insightful tips, product recommendations, and personal stories to engage your readers. For example, let's say you input keywords like stress management techniques and mindfulness practice into ChatGPT. The tool can generate a comprehensive article on various stress management techniques, including mindfulness exercises, deep breathing exercises, and journaling practices. This AI-generated article can serve as a starting point for you to add your own voice and experiences, creating a unique piece tailored to your audience. Number 4. Expanding with your website. While publishing on Apple News is fantastic, you can expand further by creating your own website. This gives you more control over your content and opens up additional avenues for monetization. Several user-friendly website creation platforms are available that require no previous experience, such as WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. These platforms provide intuitive interfaces and templates. With their assistance, you can design a professional website without any coding experience. Having your own website enables you to monetize your site through various methods, including paid advertisements. You can partner with ad networks like Google AdSense or Media.net to display relevant ads on your website. As your website gains traffic, the ad revenue can become a significant source of income. It's important to note that building a successful website takes consistency and value creation. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content and optimize your site for search engines. The strategy is to advertise the content on various platforms, including social media, to increase the number of followers. Number 5. Affiliate marketing and partnerships. Another excellent opportunity to monetize your articles and website to make money in your niche is through affiliate marketing, where you promote related products or services and earn a commission for each sale or referral. You can explore several affiliate platforms such as Digistore24.com, ClickBank.com, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms offer a diverse selection of products and services in different niches, allowing you to find suitable offerings to promote to your audience. Let's delve into the wellness and self-care niche as an example. On platforms like Digistore24.com and ClickBank.com, you can find digital products like meditation guides, fitness programs, and self-help books that align with your audience's interests. By promoting these products through your articles or website and including your unique affiliate links, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your referrals. Additionally, you can also explore partnership opportunities with relevant brands and businesses. Reach out to wellness and self-care companies that resonate with your audience and propose collaborations such as sponsored content or product reviews. These partnerships can provide additional revenue streams and add value to your readers. It's essential to select affiliate products or partnerships that genuinely align with your audience's interests and needs. Recommending high-quality products and providing genuine value builds trust with your audience and can boost your chances of making sales and earning commissions. In addition to publishing on Apple News, there's another exciting opportunity to expand your reach and increase your earnings. Consider posting your articles on other news platforms that specialize in the same niche we chose previously, such as wellness and self-care. By diversifying your publishing channels, you can tap into new audiences and potentially increase your income. Two examples of specialized news platforms in the wellness and self-care niche are AARP and Eating Well. These platforms have a dedicated readership interested in wellness, self-improvement, and personal development topics. When publishing on these platforms, you can earn money based on the number of words in your article. Publishers on specialized news platforms like AARP.org magazine and EatingWell.com often offer competitive rates, which can go up to $1 per word. This means that the longer and more in-depth your articles are, the higher your potential earnings can be, and the more interested and retained the audience, the more you will get paid. These websites and others have millions of subscribers that you can get in touch with. So let's say you wrote an article of 500 plus words. That means you will earn $500 of it from a single website. All you need to do is rewrite the article and publish it on another platform, and there you have it, another $500 in your pocket. Keep doing that every day for a consistent income. And the best part of it is the scalability. The only limit for it is yourself. By leveraging multiple news platforms' audience and revenue potentials, such as Apple News, AARP.org, and EatingWell.com, you can maximize your earning potential and establish yourself as an authority in the wellness and self-care niche. Some people are making thousands of dollars every single month just by utilizing these strategies. And the best part is that it only takes a little time to get set up and no previous talent. Just a passion to put in the work and earn more money. So there you have it. By exploring trendy niches like wellness and self-care, utilizing AI tools like Articulate to create engaging articles, and leveraging various affiliate platforms like Digistore24.com and ClickBank.com, you can expand your earning potential through Apple News and beyond. Remember that building a successful online presence takes time, effort, and continuous learning. Stay up to date with the latest trends, consistently create valuable content, and engage with your audience to cultivate a loyal following. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope these insights and strategies will empower you on your journey to making $1,500 per day through Apple News. The links to the platforms mentioned will be available in the description below. If you found this information helpful, hit subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Best of luck, and until next time, keep exploring new opportunities and maximizing your earning potential.